under tonneau secure lock chest box by UWS. This box is designed to accommodate tonneau covers, roll-up tonneau covers, and or some type canister covers. As you can see in the front, there is a notch that allows the cover to be completely rolled up, and while this happens, you're able to open your box or access your box in a 90-degree opening lid. With that, we do offer a rod protector plate. This rod protector plate does provide protection to the connecting rod from both. It will allow you to operate the box from both sides of the truck. While we got the lid open, we do offer a rigid foam core system, and we offer micro seal gasket. With the foam core system, it does provide a real strong and sturdy lid, allowing you to stand on it if need be. As with this box and all UWS boxes, we do offer a limited lifetime warranty. This box does come in matte black, as you can see here, and we do offer a diamond plate finish also.